Welcome back to the channel. The 2025 Hyundai Palisade is finally here. Hyundai has taken its flagship three-row SUV to a whole new level with a refreshed design, premium tech, and advanced safety features. Is this the perfect family SUV? Let's find out. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more car reviews. The 2025 Palisade features a bold new front grille, sharper LED headlights, and a more aerodynamic body. Hyundai has also introduced new alloy wheels and additional color options, making the Palisade even more stylish. The rear now boasts sleek LED taillights and a modernized bumper, giving it a luxurious feel. Hyundai's design team has definitely stepped up their game. Inside, the 2025 Palisade is all about comfort and innovation. You get a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a fully digital driver's display, ambient lighting and premium leather seats, heated and ventilated front and second-row seats, 3.8L V6, 291 HP, smooth performance and towing capacity of 5,000 pounds. New hybrid powertrain, expected better fuel efficiency with AWD capability. Driving experience. H-Track AWD system for all-weather performance. Multiple drive modes: Eco, Sport, Snow, and Tow mode. Whether you're commuting or heading on a road trip, the Palisade delivers smooth power and comfort. Hyundai takes safety seriously with SmartSense driver assist, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, highway driving assist. Pricing for the 2025 Hyundai Palisade. SE trim, $38,000. SEL trim, $42,000. XRT, Sporty Edition, $45,000. Limited trim, $49,000. Calligraphy, Luxury Edition, $53,000. For a luxury experience at an affordable price, the Palisade is a top pick. The 2025 Hyundai Palisade continues to be one of the best family SUVs on the market. With powerful performance, high-tech features, and premium comfort, it's definitely a game-changer. What do you think about the 2025 Palisade? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car reviews.